So, hello everybody. This is Caleb, and I am going to record some kind of 10 minutes, hopefully. And I am also recording over this part camera. Let's open Blender. Here it is. It's opening. You're seeing the screen. Here's the famous cube. And what I was saying, you're seeing the screen. Yes, this is unedited, and this will be as it is on the web. So here is how I am recording this angle. Look at this. But that angle will be only available. Hopefully, I don't know if you will like to see that on. I don't know if I will come with a Patreon account. I don't know. I need to get some funds, to continue to do this, and hopefully, like, well, let's see how it goes. How it goes. This is the tutorial I'm going to follow. Hopefully, the person I will link this in the video description, and hopefully this person doesn't get mad. Not I. I don't mean to disrespect this guy or to infringe any copyright law. So yeah, let's do some 10 minutes. I will put an alarm over here. Yes. Well, here it is. What time is it? Yeah, 10 minutes. 5. 12 minutes, because then I will continue without recording, and then I'm going to take a walk. You know, let's see. Okay, yeah, 20. Now let's get started. Where is Blender? So this is an entire new project, and hopefully the people looking at this angle doesn't get mad when I am just like this. And other than that, I also have some books over here that. Well, let's concentrate on this and make another videos related to my books. Okay. Let's get started. This guy, what is he? What is this person doing? Okay, this is like, I'm going to follow what he's doing. We have already the cube. He did 300 millimeters. That's why he deleted the original cube. He's on front orthographic. We can see over here. And this person is showing its actions on the side, so it's kind of, let's delete the cube and add a new one. Sorry. Okay, 300 millimeters, new mesh, cube, 300 millimeters, and we got it. Now right orthographic. You see, I am starting to feel like this. If you're following this angle, and doing this, and if you're following that angle, you know why. My keyboard is over here. Okay, now he's moving the cube more. Okay, he's on edit mode already. No, I didn't see. Yes, he's on edit mode. Yeah, let's first move the cube G and C over here. What about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Oh, a bit more like this. Probably I am a software developer, and most likely I will do it. I will be exercising this setup, but with programming coding challenges because I am like I need to get the speed, while solving these problems, be more quickly, be more quick, because sometimes in the interviews the time expires. So what? Okay, the cube was scaled over the x and over the y, sy of but I am doing this on object mode. Let's switch to edit mode. What else? Okay, he's moving down side the cube. Okay, he applied. Well, I will refer to this person like the person, and sometimes I will say he or she. I don't know. Please don't be mad. Surface modifier subdivision by 2. You know. I will let this cube as it is, and I will apply it instead of going over here and apply the modifier. I will press select everything with A. Is here on object Y? I cannot see because of this. Yeah, with Control the key and number 2, and the same modifier was applied with these level views set up in 2. You know. Okay, X. I am trying to mimic the thing. Probably 12 minutes will be too little. No, too not too short. So it's applying edge loops. So edit and sorry. Let's and now one another over here. Okay, we have the same figure. We went into okay, he's on object mode. She's or this person is on object mode. Duplicate the object with Shift D and move it over C. He's making the body of the robot. This is great. These people are just this is the kind of things I want to avoid. The thinking process because thinking is hard, and I need when I do thinking because I do it on programming and solving computation, some exercises in the book, and I need to practice with platform coding, challenging platforms, coding challenge platforms because I need to increase my velocity in solving that kind of problems because they appear over and over on the interviews. But Blender for me is like it is on my website like a hobby, but I should enjoy this, So it's like okay, I'm going to duplicate this thing, Shift D and C, and what else the guy did? Some sort of a scale, maybe this, yeah. An edit mode, the face selection with three. It seems like an scale was applied. Yes, is like I have. Even when you're following a tutorial, you get some a little bit of different results because you are doing some things with your hands. Since we are not following like some measures. Your hand, your brain, I don't know, the movement are not the same. That's what's happened with the guitar if you're into guitar playing. When people say the way he plays, it's in his hands. It's in the, now what's happening over here? And now all this chit chat is unnecessary. Probably I will call this video unnecessary chit chat while doing Blender. And probably sometime, someday, hopefully, with the grace of above Lord, I will do some speed run. And when I'm doing these tutorials, I am just clicking forwarding and rewind the thing. Did not miss anything. Okay, 2 points were selected. Point selection with one. They were moved. But how did this person like that? Click and click and scale. Yeah, that's a great thing for this for these people to put the. I need to find a way how they manage to put this on the screen. Okay, now the face again. Yeah, I think we have. Okay, same technique. And now time has expired. Time has expired. Since we were talking, it didn't accomplish a lot, but I wanted this video to be this way. So you can, it's like more like a testing. Uh, Now imagine this 10 minutes, 12 minutes has, has gone, but uh, 12 minutes has passed, and we only have 2 minutes of video covered in a video 40 minutes. When one turn off the recording, and I will be able to move a little bit faster because probably talking ralentize the brain. It seems like the face is a little bit bigger. I'm going to select these ones, G and C. It's too far. Now, yes. It's about to apply a subdivision surface again. Okay. All right. So the person applied the subdivision surface that already we did have, and come up with another one. In shade smooth. Look at this. This is start to look beautiful. I think this is going to be great, but I don't know. It's only in my imagination. I have already the video in my head, but I need to express it, make it real, make it happen. Shade smooth. Yeah. We are going to apply this another subdivision surface and shade smooth. And this thing is starting to get shape. What else? What's happening? Cube, renaming. Renaming. Head and body. How do you like? I am a software developer. How do you like trading some videos on programming within Blender? Here is the scripting, so we can write code. I've been thinking about that, but I don't know. Blender is too powerful. I am still yet to see what can be done in code that you can express over here. You know, even with I don't know. There's too much to do. I think I'm closing now to two videos. I have look at this. I have control space to finish the recording on OBS. Control space.